Who is second? You? Second is starting home from yellow house. Okay, come. Third, we combo. Green house. Next, junior boys. First, blue house. Oh. Second, resim. Yellow house. Third, long mukran. Red house. Next, group C. Third, down trigo. Yellow house. Come first. Next, let's look. Red house. Second, Jelena. Blue house. Third, Majuni. Yellow house. Junior girls. First, Hombari, yellow house. Second, Sampri, red house. Third, clear, blue house. Group C. Serlika, yellow house. Second, Jolly, green house. And third, Sergelin, yellow house. First, Nauri, red house. Come. Second, Hargamon, yellow house. Third, Jensen, green house. Group B. First, Sarchingri, blue house. Second, Sardili, red house. Third, Denom, blue house. Second, Iris, yellow house. And third, Talita, red house.
Everyone.
Next game, cockfight. Boys, Group A. First, Halako, blue house. Second, Searching Hall, red house. Yellow house. Third, Virgin, green house. Group B. First, Receive, yellow house. Searching B, blue house. Senior girls. First, Majuni, yellow house. Second, Iris, yellow house. And third, Jemima, blue house. Junior girls. First, Hunmili, blue house. Second, Hombari, yellow house. And third, Mirbin, green house. First, Lori, red house. Second, Rishon, blue house. Girls. Senior girls first, Jilalu, green house. Second, Ketia, yellow house. Third, Talita, red house. Next junior girls. First, Serika from yellow house. Second, Mahin, blue house. Third, Ajir, green house. Please give them a round of applause. Senior boys. First, Longri, red house. Second, Pearson, red house. And third, Hardamon, yellow house. Then junior boys. First, Sardili, from red house. Second, Sarchingri, blue house. Yellow house. Green house. Next we have junior girls high jump. First, Bunmidi, blue house. Second, Serlika, yellow house. And third, Jolly, from green house. Aim throw. Boys, first, Sarchidon, red house. Second, long aim, red house. And third, Risim, yellow house. Aim through girls. First, Iris, from yellow house. Second, Kejia, yellow house. And third, Son Kumari, blue house. Right. For example, Kabaddi. We have getting the point. Okay. Yellow house or blue house or green house, you all calculating point for this. That means house-wise games. Okay. So for Kabaddi, boys, who won the Kabaddi? Senior boys, which house? Yellow house. Right. Yellow house first and red house second. Okay. And girls, Kabaddi. Okay, girls. First, which house? Blue house. Second, yellow house. Next we have volleyball. Boys. Okay. Who won the match? Again, yellow house. Right. Yellow house is dominating the whole sport, the whole game. Okay. Volleyball, yellow house. Runner up is green house. Boys, senior boys. Again, yellow house. Second, who? Blue house. And junior boys. Who won the match? Green house. And second, last runner up, yellow house. Time over, girls. Senior girls. First, blue house. The runner up, green house. Okay. Group B, that means junior girls. Again, yellow house. And runner up, blue house. Right. So after adding all the points, which house won this game? Yellow house. Okay. With total point of 360 points. Okay. Second, it is, can you guess? Red house. Okay. So, red house has 241 points. Okay. Third, blue house with 234 points. And Last, greenhouse with 212 points. Okay, so we have only this much. What is score? So I'll give back to Sir or